Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the impressive Sunco 10-pack UFO LED high bay light, a powerhouse of illumination designed for warehouses and commercial spaces. This 150-watt LED fixture delivers an astounding 21,000 lumens of bright, 5,000K daylight, ensuring your space is lit with clarity and precision. With its dimmable 0 to 10 volts feature, you can easily adjust the brightness to suit your needs, while the IP65 waterproof rating guarantees reliable performance in any weather condition. Installation is a breeze with 3 versatile mounting options: hook mount, ceiling mount, and NPT Pole Mount, all supported by a durable, shatter-resistant aluminum housing that replaces outdated HID fixtures. UL and DLC certified, this commercial-grade light is perfect for a variety of applications, from gymnasiums and retail spaces to gas stations and exhibition halls. Plus, with Sunco's industry-leading 7-year protection, you can enjoy peace of mind and a brighter future. Don't miss out on transforming your space with the Sunco UFO LED high bay light, where quality meets innovation for superior lighting solutions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.